Good morning, children. Let us continue exercise 9.3. In previous class, we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3. 4 no need to do because wrong question is given here. So, we will start question number 5. In question number 5, change the following fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 24. 7 by 8 is given. It is numerator and it is denominator. Okay. So we have to change this denominator into, this number will change, we have to convert into 24. This denominator will be 24. So here 8 is given. So when we will multiply it by 3, we know that when we will multiply in the denominator any number, same number you will multiply in the numerator. So 8 3 ja 24 and 7 3 ja 21. So 21 by 24 is the answer. We have to choose that number. Which number will multiply by 8, we will get 24. So it is the 3. Both number we will multiply in the numerator and denominator and we will get the answer. Question number 2 is 11 by 12. Here 11 by 12. In the denominator 12 is given here. Denominator number is, it is numerator and it is denominator. This denominator we have to convert into 24. So when we will multiply this 12 by 2, same number you will multiply in the numerator. So 12 to ja 24, 11 to ja 22. So this is the answer. Understood? Number 3 is 9 by 72. Here, if any number we will multiply, we will not get 24. So that means it is dividing. We will divide this number, then we will get the 24. So you have to find out which number we will divide this number to get 24. Suppose we will divide it by 2. 2 3 ja 6. 2 6 ja 12. We are not getting here 24. So it is not. When we will divide it by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 4 ja 12. That means when we will divide this number by 3, we will get 24. So we will take 3. 3 3 ja 9 is divisible by 3, we will get 3. And 72 is dividing by 3, we will get 24. So it is the denominator is the 24. Similarly, in number 4, 16 by 192. So here we will find out which number we will divide, which number we will take and divide this number to get 24. 192. When we will divide it by 2. 2 9 ja 18. 2 6 ja 12. Here we are getting 96. So 2 we will not take. We will take 3. 3 5 ja 15. Sorry, 3 6 ja 18 we can take. 3 6 ja 18 and 3 4 ja 12. Here also we are not getting 24. So we will not take 3. Next number we will take 4. 4 4 ja 16. 3 2 4 4 8 ja 32. Here also we are not getting 24. Next number we will check 5. Now it is even number, so we will not take 5. We will take next number 6. 6 3 ja 18. 6 2 ja 12. We are not getting here 24. So next number is 7. 7 2 ja 14. 52. 7 7 ja 49. Here also we are not getting. So we will take next number is 8. 8 2 ja 16. 8 3 ja, sorry, 8 4 ja 32. Now here we are getting 24. So we will take 8 to divide this number, numerator and denominator. Then we will get 24. And when we will divide this 16 by 8, we will get 2. So 2 by 24 is the answer. Now here all the denominator is 24. In both the cases we are multiplying and in these cases we are dividing. Understood? Now next question is question number 6. In question number 6 it is fill-ups. One is already solved. I am starting 2. How to solve? Here 8 hours dash of a day. So we have to write the fraction in the lowest form. 8 hours. 8 hours. We have to convert. We know that 1 day equal to 24 hours. Okay. So when we will convert in the same unit, 8 by 24. 8 1 is 8. 8 3 is 24. So lowest fraction is 1 by 3 of a day. Understood? Now next is number 3. 6 month. So 6 month is equal to dash 1 year. Dash of 1 year. So here 1 year means 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So when we will convert this 6 month, 6 by 12, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So it is half of 1 year. 6 months means half of 1 year. Understood? Now see question number 4. It is same. So you will try to do number 4. I am solving number 5. 40 minutes is equal to dash of a hour. So we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So when we will convert this 40 minutes into hour, so 0 0 cancel, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. That is 2 by 3. So we will write here 2 by 3 of an hour. Understood? Now question number now question number 7 is 50 paise of a rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So what is the fraction of 50 paise in 1 rupee? That means 50 by 100. 0 0 cancel, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So half of rupees. 50 paise means half of a rupees. Rupees 2 is equal to dash of rupees 10. It is question number 8. Rupees 2 is the half of dash of 10 rupees. That means 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So 1/5 of rupees 10. Thank you. You will try to do this question. It is your homework. Next class we will start new exercise, that is 9.4.